Here I here I have 2 cups of water on the fire, and I'm about to put the sugar and ginger, and when the sugar and ginger is boiled up, then I will add the coconut and let it stay there and boil. I will go right through all the stage of cooking the coconut drops. I will be making some coconut drops. So here I grated the coconut. I had some sugar here, brown sugar. Here's the measuring cup that I'm using. I'm using 1.5 cups of it with sugar to add to the water. Here's the ginger I will be using. You don't want it to be too hot with ginger that you can't enjoy it. I'm about to peel the ginger now and wash them. Then I grated them and put it in the water. Here I have peeled the ginger and washed them, so I'm going to grate them now. So here is the grated ginger, and I'm about to add it to the water now. So there I add the ginger to the water. I'm going to add the sugar now. This is 1.5 cups of sugar. I'm going to let it stay and boil now before I add the coconut to it. And here I'm stirring the sugar, so when it's boiled, although it will melt, but the stirring means a little stir to dissolve out the sugar in the water. And I'm going to let it stand about a 15-minute and boil, and I add the coconut to it. The boiling of the coconut just will take me about half an hour or less. Here I'm adding some cinnamon if you wish to, but I love cinnamon in mine. Have a nice flavor. And just a little tops of vanilla. Some people put nutmeg in theirs. I don't like nutmeg in mine, so I'm not putting any nutmeg. Just cinnamon and vanilla. Yes guys, I'm here adding the coconut to the sugar and ginger, and I'm gonna leave it for half an hour to boil, and as it boils, then it gets a little bit gummy, and the texture it will come together. Then I have to take it out and put it on some banana leaf, but I'm going to prepare all of that for you to see. Keep watching. Thanks. Yes guys, here I'm gonna put this lime to give the glaze and to form put the coconut and the sugar together quick. I can't spend a long time with it, so I'm putting some lime to form the glaze and to bring the sugar and coconut together. So I'm adding a little bit in it. Not plenty, you don't have to have plenty lime. Just a half a lime. Just I'm adding a half of a lime in it. Yes, here is the coconut drops. It's getting there. It's beginning to see some thickness in it, but you have to stir it a little bit. You have to keep stir it sometime, not all the time. You have to stir it just now and then. You it a little stir. Here is the banana leaf I have prepared to put the coconut drops on. I wash it off and I leave the water on it. I did put it to banana leaf to dry off because I need the water on it so that the coconut drops will get to set on it. You don't put the banana leaf to dry after you wash it. You cut the banana leaf and put it in a tray, and then you leave it to put the drops on. Here the coconut drops is going down, boiling down, so we're going to keep on stir it and keep on stir until there's no more water in it. And you can test it too, test it, just put it on a plate or something what you know that it can and stay there and cool, and with this gummy you know that it's soon ready to come out. So here I'm about to take out mine now and put it on the banana leaf. So I don't want it to dry out no more. That's the liquid out of run out, and then it won't be juicy and nice. So I'm taking it out now. You alright? Jesus, alright. Jesus. Alright, baby. Okay, putting it now on the banana leaf. You have to mix yes, put it on, hurry up to put it on the banana leaf, so that you get dry in the pot, and then because the problem then you won't get it out. Better you make them big, and then you can just separate them when you finish. All to get it out of the pot before it start to dry. You can get somebody to help you too, you alone cannot do it. When you're taking out of the pot, you get somebody to help you take it out.